Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Shamika and I go by Fiers Femme. Fiers Femme means proud woman in French, and it just says it all about me. I have been on a lifestyle journey, a woman journey, from the time you're a little girl to the time you're an adult. A lot of things happen in your life and you find yourself trying to figure out, who am I, right? So I made this channel so I could grow, so I can find out who is Shamika, who is Fiers Femme, right? And along the way, I wanted to assist many women like myself with just taking that moment to yourself, whether it be 5 minutes or an hour or 30 minutes, whatever you do for yourself, that you can be entertained with somebody who is very hands-on. I think the only thing I don't do is nails. I'm totally into skincare, makeup, and hair, which you will notice from my channel. I do want to bring in other things into my channel, like my vegetarian lifestyle, my lifestyle period, maybe some workouts, and just show you my journey going into moving and getting my own place and things like that. But right now, my channel is all about makeup and hair, and definitely my locks. I have been locked for a year and I have lots of videos from the time I started to now. I have no shame in my game. I am happy to be on here looking like this, and I'm happy to be on here in my natural state, because you have to love who you are as a woman. That's what I'm pushing on this channel. I am very much into positivity. This is a no negativity zone. And if you would love to be part of my family and join my channel, just hit that subscribe button down below so you could be a part of the flyest family out there, the realest family out there, and become a part of my community, and we could just uplift each other and get to know one another. So thank you for watching my intro video. And again, if you would like to see more from me, just hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything. And yeah, did I forget anything? I think I forgot to tell you guys, I post on Monday and Fridays. The beginning of your week to lift you up, and the beginning of your weekend before you get turned, I'll show you some makeup looks, that you could use to go out. And yes, thank you for watching. See you later. Peace.